There we go. Get a little oil on that.
Sure.
There we go. Paul is the Terminator. He's the Drillinator. Help him get a little square, Mike. Get in there and give him a hand. Square him up.
I think he is.
You gotta go. It looks from my angle. It looks like he needs to go this way.
Oh, this way?
So, Bob,
Yeah.
can
Okay.
we just take one
All right,
of those
there you go.
overhaul
You could. Very good. Open up a scotch. Yeah, if you open it up with scotch, you should be fine.
I think it would go.
Yeah.
All right, so pull all this out. Right?
And just-
Look,
just
one
give
more
it a
time.
kiss.
Ready? See, that's
just
this
need
is
to-
our
just
problem
to-
right
It's
here.
got that burr.
Just a little burr.
There's a burr there? Oh, I
So see how this? So
Yeah.
try and line this back
So
up
I
again.
would take
See, we
and
got
put your
this
bolts.
All you need is just to get that just
Put
ever
the
so
two-
much.
let's
Put
put the
all
bolts
your
on these
bolts
two.
in.
Yeah.
Except for
And
that
then
one.
Except for
use
that one.
that to locate.
It
and just
lines
drill
up
it
now.
Well, yeah,
Well,
but
yeah.
now you're
But
forcocking
now
too.
see how it's messed up over
Yeah.
here?
Double forcocking.
Yeah, so put your bolts in, all those, so you have them ready.
And then now you just know where to
And
to
then
go.
Now.
Gary's binging over there like he's going out of style.
Goes in now. Because the other piece.
Oh, is this
It's
China
the
piece?
ball joint.
So this should be
backwards?
lined up to that. How could that be?
Did we put the
Did
left
you
side
have
on the
this
wrong?
spun around the wrong way?
Maybe.
Oh dear.
No.
That's supposed to be like this. So. Yeah, it only goes one way.
goes
Yeah, there's only
Yeah.
one way.
Yeah. It's
So
a
let's
shape.
see.
Eliminating obstacles.
Smells like incense.
See, this doesn't line up.
See, it's
When you
it's
put
that-
this on,
That hole.
so hold on a minute. Let's
I
try
wonder
this.
if the middle thing.
Let's try this.
How's this fit on
I
there?
bet this doesn't line
So
up.
he's got these. So this bracket and this.
But look how effed.
Yeah.
Pull that all apart.
This lines up. So when you do this, it lines up. Let's try maybe this. Oh, it doesn't go in. So they line up
you're
together.
hitting that
Individually
piece.
they line up, but when you combine them,
Yeah, they bind.
Good shit. Oh, Bobby, you got the patience of Job.
Who?
Job.
Who's that?
so you think that lip
He's
is
the guy
gonna...
who got fucked over in the Bible.
That's a lot of guys.
Yeah.
This comes off?
There's a lot of those.
Because everything shitty kept happening to him. And he was like, it's fine, God will
Can I
save me.
see this for a second?
Yeah, it's fine. Car parts will save me.
Yeah.
You think that lip is doing something?
I don't like how whoever did
Yeah,
this.
that looks a little.
Look at how fakak that is. That's from
That's pretty walled out.
who drilled it prior in the past and put lower ball joints in it. Peter, you got to go through your paperwork one day and find who did lower ball joints last time, so we can call them and yell at them.
Line up if this.
And if they're dead,
for 30 years.
well, we call their nearest of kin and yell at them.
Or just go to the cemetery and yell at them.
This is not even, this. It looks like they might have almost corrected.
Yeah.
Yeah, they definitely didn't know what they were doing. It wasn't like last week with Wick doing it
And this
right.
does say left side.
This is a smaller hole than that one.
Yeah, that's wallered out.
Could you make, I can't make the whole this.
You're just gonna have to. I think you're gonna have to take a little bit of that out.
Just carefully.
Well, that's for you to do.
On this
I'll
end?
do it.
On this end?
Yeah, because that's the one that
This
has.
is binding.
Yeah.
Stuff, right? Yeah, we can drill
Oh my
it.
God, where'd this come from? How cute!
You missed that whole joke?
It's a heavy duty one.
Seriously? I put this Irk in with it.
Oh, it's darling. Where did we find? Is it?
It's in the wrench drawer.
Oh, it
Christmas
came
tree.
from the estate sale. I
Yeah.
forgot about this. Remember? We were throwing all the stuff in the trash can. We were so
Yeah, we're like-
excited.
We're like, ooh, estate sale.
Yeah.
No,
We're like children.
I forgot
Don't let
about
us go
that.
to an estate sale.
How exciting!
All tools.
All right, so
Tools,
let's put
Miss
it
R
in the
stuff.
vise then, and
Put in
let
the vise, and I'll drill
Bobby
it.
drill it
I'll
out.
drill it gently. I'll drill it softly.
Do you want to put
Okay.
those bolts in so you can kind of see what you're doing?
Yeah, we'll get
These?
it. Yeah, we'll get it all bolted. the
Yeah,
rest
so
of the
let's
way.
put it
Wouldn't
all.
it be better to laminate the bracket hole rather than the...
Well, yeah, but
The
look
black,
at-
everything
the
lines up
problem is
except the one hole, and it's this hole on the arm.
And this is already kind of.
Because
I
somebody,
agree. I
when
totally
they
agree
drilled
with
the
that.
rivets
No, but
out
wouldn't it be
years
better
ago,
to modify that than the arm?
not really.
You gotta
It
No,
doesn't
upside
really.
down.
Sorry, I
Matter.
would upside down. Sorry, but see, this is the problem. So these line up.
Oh,
That
These
one's
two
off.
line up, but you're dealing with that right there.
Well, I think because this one's too big.
But let's bolt all the rest of it.
Maybe
so
we
it's
should.
lined up.
Maybe we should put that one in last because that one's too big.
You could bolt here, and then just take a drill
Yeah.
that way and drill out the bracket side. I mean, not drill this up, but
Look at how close that is.
I know.
Like, see it up there too? Here. And then you turn it over, and then you got that
Wait for top.
and that. Like, show and tell, for real. Try it.
Yes, I see. You're so right.
Show and tell.
This hole,
Show and tell,
this
JJ.
hole is too big.
Oh,
Maybe-
Gary and I got some show and tell from earlier. Mostly
Maybe
tell.
it's
tell you want show and tell.
Yeah.
I mean, I thought I was gonna have to chew my arm off to get it out.
Oh yeah, when you got caught today, that was fun. Gary got his hand
Careful, you
caught.
have metal on you.
That was not fun. Then we have a
That's why I
short.
was worried working by myself. I'm like, ooh.
They line up individually when you combine them.
It's not flat. You might be able to draw it in.
That's what I was thinking.
We
Is
can
draw
get
it
them.
in,
Try it.
So,
but we got to put the other two bolts in here too.
Put
then
that
the
one
problem-
last maybe because that one is a bigger hole.
here.
See? There you go.
I'll waller it.
Maybe put that one in first.
Wallering.
And this one would go in, I think.
Well, that was a hell of a lot of
No,
drilling.
I
ain't
agree
it?
with everybody.
It's done.
The
You got
three
the hole out?
pieces do not line
They
up.
do not.
They will out? They will out? Wow.
Well done.
Except for the one that is still
That
in there.
actually
All right, so now he's got two. So this is the one that's the jerk.
Oh, the good one.
So,
Wow, thanks, Mike. Whoever did it.
Just for the hell of it, just drill that out too. Yeah, you may as well drill
Everybody.
the last one. Just so yeah. Well, I have to say,
Why
the
don't we
hardware's
do that
pretty
and
good,
let
'cause
this sit?
that took a pretty good hit with the drill. Right?
and you can't even like give it a little tap because you're hitting that metal, so it's gonna mess up your
It's just gonna
threads.
bind, yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly, yeah.
At least I know it's not me.
Yeah. No, it was not Peter.
It's stuck to the bottom here.
Okay, that's plastic.
Oh no,
So
that's
let's
a nut.
put-
That is.
Oh,
It's a nut that goes to it.
that's easy.
I agree. They don't line up.
Nope.
Everybody
So we need to
agrees.
drill that
Yeah,
out
there's multiple.
We'll put the nuts on the back side of this, I guess, and then
and put the big bolts in there, and then then we'll drill through the.
Peter, put your big bolts back in here.
We'll use the ball joint as our guide because it's the thickest and heaviest, and we'll just drill straight through it down.
So should we-
Right on through, break on through to the other side.
Yep.
Just